Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to draw a radial bar chart in Tableau. So first select text file option and then load your CSV file to the Tableau. Okay, so now create the union of dataset by dragging your CSV file from file section to the drag table to union section. Now you have to create a calculated field and name it path. So select this, create calculate field and name it. But I have already created it, so we'll just edit it and see what's written inside it. It's like a if structure in C++ programming. If table name is equal to the name of your file, then the value of path is 0, otherwise it is 1. So we can see it here. Here you can see two file names. Value of path is 0 at .csv and value of path is 1 at csv2. Now we have to convert this path into the dimension. So for that, just drag the path to the dimension section. After creating path, you have to create two parameters and name them inner radius and outer radius. So for that, you have to select create parameter. But as you can see, I have already created two parameters, so we'll just edit and see what's inside. So for inner radius, give current value 0.5 and for outer radius, give current value as 1. Then press OK. Now we have to create a calculated field and name it radial angle. So for that, you have to create a calculated field. As you can see, I have already created a calculated field and named it radial angle. So we will see what's inside it. This is the formula to calculate the radial angle. In my visualization, I am plotting the states. So that's why I have selected it. You can use any parameter that you want to plot on the radial bar chart here. Next, create a calculated field and name it normalized length. So what is normalized length? It is a function which converts your data into the particular scale. So what is particular scale? Here it is the difference between outer radius and inner radius. In our case it is 0.5. So it will convert every value into the scale of 0.5. Let's see the formula of normalized length. It is inner radius plus outer radius minus inner radius into if path is 0 then return 0, and if path is not equal to 0 then return the fraction of parameter divided by the maximum parameter. So this division gives us the scaling factor which determines the length of the bar. Now you are all set to draw the x coordinates and y coordinates. So create two calculated fields and name them x coordinates and y coordinates. For x coordinates, give the value cos of radial angle into normalized length, and for y coordinates, give the value sine of radial angle into normalized length. For creating radial bar chart, we will drag straight to the marks section. Now we will drag path to the marks section. Okay guys, I think I have forgotten step number 9. So we'll just remove the latitude and longitude from rows and columns and add x and y coordinates there. And now at last You just have to select your detailing parameter in the compute using section of x and y coordinates. So just click on the x coordinates, go to compute using section and select state. Similarly, go to y coordinates, compute using and select state. And congratulations, your bar chart is ready. Now you can change the size of the bars, also the color of the bars, and you can resize the chart by using the parameters. While using radial bar chart, it is recommended to use black background. So for that, go to format, in default worksheet, set color to black. You can scale the axis according to your range. For that, double click on x axis, select fixed in range and set your limits. Similarly, you can do it for y axis. And your radial bar chart is ready. Thank you so much guys for your time. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment sections. Until then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video.